Let's face it, saving money is one of those resolutions that's easy to make and even easier to break. We start strong, cutting back on coffee runs, skipping impulse buys, and vowing to be better with money. But somewhere along the way, old habits sneak back in, and by March, we're wondering where all the extra cash was supposed to be. But here's the thing, saving money doesn't have to mean sacrificing everything fun in your life. It's not about cutting out every latte or living on rice and beans. It's about being intentional with your choices and finding easy, sustainable ways to make your money work for you. In today's video, we're diving into simple, actionable hacks to help you save more in 2025. These aren't get-rich-quick schemes or unrealistic tips. They're practical habits anyone can adopt to build real financial security. Let's get started. Step 1. Automate your savings. The easiest way to save money is to remove the decision-making entirely. Enter automation. Think of it as setting your finances on autopilot. Set up an automatic transfer from your checking account to your savings account every payday. Even if it's just $20 per paycheck, it adds up quickly, especially when you don't see it sitting in your account, tempting you to spend. For example, let's say you automate $100 a month into a high-yield savings account. That's $1,200 by the end of the year, plus interest. Add in a monthly automated investment to a retirement account or ETF, and you're not just saving, you're growing your money. Automation works because it eliminates the "I'll save what's left over" mindset, which, let's be honest, rarely works. Step 2, embrace the 52-week challenge. This classic savings hack turns saving into a game. Start by saving $1 in the first week of January, $2 in the second week, $3 in the third week, and so on. By the end of the year, you'll have $1,378. Not feeling patient? Flip the challenge and start with $52 in week 1, decreasing by $1 each week. This way, you tackle the larger amounts when motivation is highest, and the lighter weeks feel like a breeze. Apps like Digit or simple spreadsheets can help you track your progress. The goal isn't just to save money, but to build the habit of setting money aside consistently. If you're feeling ambitious, double the amounts and end the year with over $2,700 saved. It's a simple system with big rewards. Step 3. Identify money leaks. Think about your spending like a bucket of water. Little leaks, like that streaming service you forgot to cancel or the gym membership you never use, can drain your finances faster than you realized. In 2025, commit to plugging those leaks. Start by reviewing 3 months' worth of bank statements. Highlight recurring charges and ask yourself, is this still worth it? Cancel subscriptions you no longer need, renegotiate bills for better rates, and bundle services where possible. For example, combining your internet and phone plans could save you $20 a month, an easy $240 a year. Every dollar you save from cutting out waste can go directly toward your savings goals. Step 4. Shop smarter, not harder. Impulse purchases are the enemy of savings. That's where the 24-hour rule comes in. See something you want? Sleep on it. More often than not, you'll find the urge to buy fades. After a day, timing your purchases can also make a huge difference. Plan major buys around sales events like Black Friday or end-of-season clearances. For everyday shopping, use cashback apps like Rakuten or Honey to score discounts and rewards on items you were already planning to buy. And here's a pro tip. Unsubscribe from retailer emails that tempt you with constant deals. Out of sight, out of mind. For grocery shopping, create a detailed list and stick to it. Studies show that shoppers who use lists save up to 30% compared to those who don't. Step 5. Embrace no-spend days. Designate 1 or 2 days a week as no-spend days. On these days, you commit to not spending a single penny. Instead of eating out, get creative with what's already in your fridge. Instead of hitting the mall, explore free activities like hiking, reading, or having a picnic over time. No-spend days can turn into no-spend weeks or even months. These intentional pauses in spending help you build discipline and make you more aware of where your money is going. Imagine saving $15 a week by skipping takeout. Over a year, that's $780 saved, enough to fund a weekend getaway or pay down debt. Step 6. Use the envelope method. This old-school budgeting hack works wonders for those who struggle with overspending. At the start of the month, withdraw cash for specific categories like groceries, dining out, and entertainment. Divide the cash into envelopes labeled for each category. When an envelope is empty, that's it. You're done spending in that category until the next month. The envelope method forces you to stay within your limits and helps you visualize your spending in a tangible way. Step 7. Make saving fun. Who says saving has to be boring? Turn it into a game with challenges like a spend-free weekend or a $5 challenge, where you save every $5 bill that comes your way. Reward yourself for hitting milestones. For example, if you save $1,000, treat yourself to a small indulgence, like a fancy dinner or a spa day. The key is to celebrate your progress without undoing your efforts. Involve your family or friends in a savings challenge. Accountability makes the process more enjoyable. Step 8. Maximize your windfalls. Tax refunds, work bonuses, or unexpected gifts are great opportunities to boost your savings. Instead of treating this money as fun money, use it to reach your financial goals faster. For example, saving a $2,000 bonus in a high-yield savings account could earn you an extra $50 in interest by year's end. Small decisions like this create a snowball effect over time. Step 9. Start a side hustle. If saving more feels impossible with your current income, consider adding a side hustle. Whether it's freelancing, selling handmade products, or even renting out a spare room, extra income can make a big difference. Let's say you earn an additional $300 a month from a side hustle. Dedicate this income solely to savings, and you'll have $3,600 by the end of the year. Platforms like Upwork, Etsy, or Turo can help you monetize your skills or assets with minimal upfront costs. Step 10. Negotiate everything. From your internet bill to your insurance premiums, many costs are negotiable. You just need to ask. Call your service providers and ask for discounts, promotions, or loyalty rewards. For example, shaving $15 off your monthly internet bill saves you $180 a year. Combine that with other savings hacks, and the results add up fast. Don't forget to negotiate big-ticket items, like car purchases or home repairs. A little effort can lead to significant savings. The mindset shift. Small wins add up. Saving money isn't about overhauling your life overnight. It's about small, consistent wins. Automating your savings, cutting unnecessary expenses, and setting aside windfalls might seem like tiny steps, but over time, they lead to big results. The key is to focus on progress, not perfection. Even saving $50 a month is better than nothing. Celebrate every win and keep moving forward. 2025 is the year to take control of your finances. With these easy hacks, you can save more without feeling deprived. Whether you're building an emergency fund, planning a dream vacation, or just wanting more financial freedom, these tips can help you get there. Start small, stay consistent, and watch your savings grow. Remember, every dollar saved is a step closer to your goals. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more money-saving content,